Hi, my name is Chloë, creative stylist at Emerald, and together with our team, we have created this amazing project. Recreate nature, that's what we do. The colors, the seasons, the details, the natural feel. These are the aspects that we aim to translate into our collections. So this year, our main theme for our shoot for 2021 is inspired on Recreate Nature. With this given in mind, we have created different outstanding concepts, all based on a source of inspiration: Recreate Nature. Reuse items with natural color tones and a natural dry look. Refresh, hold your breath and take a plunge. This theme really gives you the feeling of a true refreshment. Rebuild, take some of our green mats, leave them like that or add some greenery into it. Rebuild it however you want. Replant, make the switch. Different plants, different vibes. Reshine, out and about. A product range perfectly used for outside. Rebloom, golden oldies in a new setting. Reboost, give yourself a boost with this colorful theme. Reframe, it's just a little bit of art. Repot, same catchy pots and different plants. Renew, meet some of our brand new items that we have added to our collection for 2021. Every detail has been thought of. The colors, the shapes, the veins of the leaves, and the finishing touches. Above this all, just thinking about nature, wandering around in it. The colors, the details, is our main driving force behind our collection for 2021.